Hello. Today, we're delving into one of the most critical aspects of financial success, budgeting. Whether you're looking to save more, pay off debt, or simply gain better control over your finances, mastering the art of budgeting is the first step towards achieving your financial aspirations. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why budgeting is so profoundly important. At its core, budgeting provides a structured framework for managing finances, allowing individuals to allocate their resources efficiently and work towards accomplishing their financial goals. It serves as the compass guiding your financial journey. Without a budget, you may find yourself adrift in a sea of uncertainty, making decisions without a clear understanding of where your money is going. This lack of financial direction can lead to overspending, accumulating debt, and ultimately, financial instability. Think of budgeting as more than just a tool. It's a powerful roadmap that paves the way for your financial future. With a well-crafted budget, you can confidently prioritize your financial objectives, whether that's establishing a robust emergency fund, liberating yourself from the shackles of debt, or propelling your money towards investments that will secure your tomorrow. Step 1. Calculate your income. The initial stride in crafting your personalized budget is to calculate your total monthly income. This encompasses all sources of income you typically receive during a month. These sources may include your primary source of income, such as your salary or wages from your job, additional earnings from freelance work or side hustles, rental income if you have a property, dividends or interest generated from investments, and any other monetary inflow, like child support or alimony. Emphasizing the accuracy of this step is paramount, as your income serves as the bedrock upon which your financial foundation is constructed. It's the capital you have at your disposal to cover your monthly expenses, carve out avenues for savings, and ascend towards the pinnacle of your financial ambitions. With a precise grasp of your total monthly income, you can confidently advance to the next stage of building your budget. Step 2. List your expenses. Now, let's delve into the realm of expenses, a crucial aspect of budgeting. Listing and subsequently calculating all your monthly expenses is fundamental. These expenses encompass two distinct categories: necessities and discretionary spending. Keeping these two categories separate is imperative to gain a clear understanding of your financial commitments. Necessities constitute the core expenses that you must fulfill to maintain your fundamental standard of living. These encompass your housing costs, which can include rent or mortgage payments, the various utilities that keep your household running smoothly, such as electricity, water, gas, and internet, the groceries that sustain your family, and the essential transportation expenses required for your daily commute. On the flip side, discretionary spending covers non-essential expenses that contribute to your quality of life. This category embraces various luxuries, including streaming services, dining out, entertainment, splurges on luxury goods, and any other expenses that enrich your life but aren't vital for survival. Step 3. Set financial goals. With your income and expenses laid out, it's time to set your financial compass towards your aspirations. Setting financial goals within your budget breathes life and purpose into it. These goals can encompass a broad spectrum, ranging from establishing a robust emergency fund to liberating yourself from debt, creating a fund for a dream vacation, or even working towards the aspiration of homeownership. Financial goals transform your budget from a mere expense tracker into a strategic tool for financial empowerment. It's crucial to adopt the SMART approach for goal setting: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if your goal is to build an emergency fund, you might set a clear objective of saving 3 months' worth of living expenses within the next year. Step 4. Allocate funds. Now, with your income and expenses accounted for and your financial goals clearly defined, it's time to strategically allocate your funds. Your allocation strategy should align with your priorities and financial objectives. Prioritize necessities to ensure your essential needs are met while leaving room for discretionary spending that enhances your quality of life. Additionally, direct a portion of your funds towards savings and investments, effectively transforming your budget into a guiding roadmap towards financial stability and long-term success. Consider adopting the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline for allocating your funds. This rule advises allocating 50% of your income to necessities, dedicating 30% to discretionary spending, and setting aside the remaining 20% for savings and investments, providing a balanced approach to managing your finances and working toward your financial goals. Remember that your budget is not set in stone. It's a flexible tool that can adapt to changes in your life and financial circumstances. Regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and priorities. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore essential tips to help you stay disciplined and make your budget work for you.